Hi kitchen lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, as you can see, I have my ingredients here. Of course, the special ingredient being the Lucky Star tuna. All right, this is the special ingredient for today. If you haven't watched the first Lucky Star fish I used, guys, please go back to my videos and check them out. So as you can see, my water is already boiling. Yep, so we're going to start here, and then we're going to put our butter into our hot oil so that it can be ready. Yebo. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna drop our spaghetti in there, and then we're going to add our salt. All right, then we're going to add our salt right there. So let's work on our butter. Yes guys, see, our butter is already melted, so I'm going to add a little bit of canola oil, all right, into here as well. And then when we have this, we're going to add in all the vegetables at once. All right, so this is pepper and chili. All right, I'm going to add them inside, and then now I'll add in my garlic, crushed garlic and ginger with some onion. It's all gonna go inside. All right, so yeah guys, let's put it all inside and start stirring. All right, so we're going to close this up until it finally cooks. Okay guys, so our spaghetti is cooking, as you can see. Yep, so we're just going to keep stirring it up like this. See, yep, until it finally cooks. So yeah, our veggies are still cooking. Yes guys, so now it's time to add the tomato paste. All right, so we're going to add it in there. See, there you have it. The paste is in there. Then you're going to give this a good stir. Alright. Yeah. And then you take your tomatoes, just one grated tomato. One grated tomato. You add it in there. Give this a good stir. So yeah guys, this is when I like to add my spices. Yeah, I have turmeric right here. This is turmeric. I'm going to add it in. About a teaspoon of turmeric will be fine. And then this is garlic and herb. All right, we're going to also add a teaspoon of that. And then we're going to give this a good stir. And then this is when we add in a little bit of water. And we put some water. And then we close this up for about a minute. Allow it to cook for a minute. Right? Yes guys, see? Then we're going to close this up. Yes guys, now it's time to open up our can. Yes guys, as you can see, this is our tuna. So we're going to drain out some of the vegetable oil because I feel like it's too much for me. Yeah, so now we add in our tuna into, yes, see, there you have it guys. I promise you this is delicious. Doesn't that look good, guys? Look at that. Woo! Oh yes. So then we close this up. Yes guys, so you have to, at this point you have to taste if your salt is enough, and if it's not, just add in enough for you, the one that you prefer. All right, so okay, so let's continue. And then I feel like our spaghetti is ready. Let's get it, let's drain it and then put it into this mixture. Yes guys, our spaghetti is ready to go into that mixture, so let's go. So guys, let's do this. Yabo. Inside. Guys, look at this baby. Yo. So you continue doing this, just mix the two together. All right. Yes guys, this is our final product. Yo, thank you for tuning in. Please make sure that you try this at home. Yebo guys, yebo, I'm about to dig in, so yeah, bye. Sharp guys.